Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hey, I'm Chanel if you're not new. Well, thank you for coming back. So let's go ahead and get this try on started here. So as you can see, my brows are did. I went ahead and cleaned up my brows, set my lids, they're kind of creasing, but before we add any eyeshadow, we're gonna fix that creasing, you guys. So if you did not see my unboxing video, I'll make sure I go ahead and link it up here in the cards for you to go ahead and check out. But today we are going to be trying out the Makiage, the Instagram famous, that's how I see it, the Instagram famous foundation, because I only see it on Instagram, and then they started, emailing me and stuff, you guys, when I was interested in it at one time. Anyways, let me go ahead and get into the specs about this foundation real quick. So this is a foundation you can order online. I know order online, but the thing is they quiz you. They ask you what's your undertone, they ask you what you're looking for, they ask you about your skin concerns, and then you can put in what type of foundation you currently use, like Maybelline, Fenty, and they'll match you to a foundation. Okay, so to try them out is $5 for shipping. You get a 14-day trial period from the day that this is delivered. That's when your 14 days start. If you don't like the color match or the foundation, you can just send it right back and that's it. The foundation does cost $44. Now I've had mine for a few days now and I still have yet to use it. So I'm going to try it out with you guys because I only have a few days left to determine if I'm going to keep it or not. So I did do an unboxing of some new products. If you have not seen that video, like I said, I'll link it up above in the cards. And here's the box. Very, very cute box. Now I have already taken the contents out. They're actually right here in front of me. But when you get your box, it does come with some how-to instructions right there. It also comes with two little pamphlets here, like this. So the black one here says over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Not just that, nearly 75% of women actually get their bra size wrong as well. That's a fact. And then it tells you how to use it. Prep your face with moisturizer. I already did that. Apply one pump to your entire face, jawline, and neck. Blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Don't match to your neck or wrist. That's what it says on here. That's number 5. They're a different tone than your face. Finish your look with concealer, bronzer, and blush. Wear for a full week to determine if it's the perfect shade for you. So that's what they tell you here. And then on this white card here, okay, I don't know what the difference is, but on this one here, it says the same thing about foundation. This one here says apply 2 pumps. So this one over here says add for a moisturizer. This one doesn't say add a moisturizer. And this one here says add 1 pump. And this one here says add 2 pumps. I don't know, 2 different cards. Yeah. And underneath here, ooh, I didn't see that. High standard guaranteed. That's what it says at the bottom of the box. I guess this here is my invoice. And when you move, the paper shreds. That's what's at the bottom of the box. I know you guys have been talking for a minute. Let's go ahead and jump into what this foundation looks like. So here is the foundation. This is how mine came in this cute little magnetic box here. Makiage. That's how you say it. I believe so. Makiage. And this is their Flawless Base Foundation. Flawless. And they matched me up with the shade 165. And this is their Woke Up Like This foundation. So when you open it, mine did come sealed with plastic on here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastic off. So as you can see, this is what the shade looks like. Yeah, I feel the same way, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and use I already moisturized my face, so and I'm just using the same moisturizer I'm used to using. And I'm also going to prime my face, and I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Base Tape Primer just on the outside of my face, and then I'm going to use a mattifying one in the center. So when I ordered this foundation, they also let me know that they were going to send me a makeup brush, and this is their blush brush. This is their brush, and I guess it's number 100. So we are both about to see this for the first time right now. Ooh, that is, oh, it did come in really good plastic, but it kind of slid off in the box. But this is what the brush looks like. It's a pretty nice brush. We're going to use this brush here to apply the foundation. We'll see if this was a good color match, because if it isn't, then I'm going to send it back. So it is a pump foundation, and I am going to put a pump on my hand. Okay, a pump of this on my hand, and like I said, I have the shade 165. So I'm going to go ahead. I put 2 pumps right here on my hand, and I'm going to use this brush, and I guess I'm going to stipple it in. Okay, we're just going to keep going. Huh. I think it oxidizes, you guys. We're just going to keep going and see what happens. I don't know, but 2 pumps is not enough. I think it's because, so that's 3 I just put there. Okay. I'm going to do this side with the brush, and I'm going to do this side over here with the sponge. Okay. So you guys, I actually think this oxidizes and like changes as soon as it hits your face. We'll see what happens. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. And then I'm going to go on this side with a sponge. Alright you guys, I'm back. It's actually been about 10 minutes. This is the color still on my face currently. I did go outside of me outside with natural lighting and how the color looks. Based off of being outside and the color, I will be returning this, and I will attempt to try this again, hopefully with a different shade. But other than that, the foundation feels really light, so I like that. I'm not worried about, you know, creasing in my smile lines, because it doesn't seem to matter which foundation I use. I always crease right here. That's just how it is. I'm used to it. You know, that's life for me. So with that being said, foundation I will be sending back. Now if you happen to send it back, this is the good thing about Makiage, which I really do like. What other foundation brand do you know who's going to send you a full-size product and let you test it out for 14 days? I don't know nobody, okay? So if you send your foundation back, they will actually donate it. So that's really nice. I'm happy that they'll donate it to someone who may be able to actually use this. So I'm just going to put this to the side, and I will, you know, try this one again. So the next product I want to try out is, by the way, every time I see one of these videos, okay, every time I see one of these videos, there's no women that ever tell me what foundation that they use besides, you know, when trying out the foundation. So let me go ahead and tell you guys some. Okay, so in Too Faced Born This Way foundation, their regular one, I am in Chai. Maybelline Matte and Poreless, I'm in the shade 355 Coconut. Who else could I say? I usually leave down below in the description box different foundations that I am matched up with, so you can always go down below and check that out. So There you go, for reference. We're going to go ahead and test out, where is it? Their concealer. So what I have in my hand is their concealer. And this is their, I'll leave it on the screen. And this is in the shade 13. But yeah, this is their concealer. So, let's see. Ooh, so this is their concealer. This is what it looks like. And then it has a little show and tell right here what shade it is. So we are going to try this one out too. Ooh, girl, let's see. Let's see. So this is their doe foot applicator. It's not like one of the ones I'm used to, but it's still a doe foot. Okay, well, it did definitely highlight here. I can see that. But I think the concealer is not full coverage, you guys. The concealer is not full coverage. I think this one, this shade is a little too light. Like, I want to highlight, but I don't want to be like that highlighted. So, there we go with the little review on this foundation, you guys. We're going to go ahead and keep going. You know, we're going to do a full face. And we're actually going to try out some more new items here. And we are actually going to be testing out the new ColourPop. Well, it's not the new. This has been out for a while. I hauled it a while ago. This came out in February. This is the Make It Flawless Press Powder Palette. This was part of their Make It Black collection. And yeah, we're going to play with this. I'm going to first go in with my bronzer from ColourPop as well. I'm using it as my transition shade. So I'm just going to go back in with my bronzer. And I'm going to use this as a transition shade because the brown that's in the palette's a little too dark. Next, I'm using the same brush. I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's more of like a brownie burgundy shade, and it's called Say Yes. Woo, that is pigmented. And I'm going to tap that right there. And I really want to play with this shade, but I want to test out the shimmer shades too. It's true. I think I'm going to go in with the two shades here and leave that one for another time, you guys. Another time for another look. We're not even going to wet our brushes. We're just going to go in there dry. And I'm going to go in with this shade first. And I'm going to place that just like that. So this will probably like pop even more if you do like a cut crease, or could put concealer or a lighter base. And I want to pop this shade right here. I want to do the yellow. I want to put that yellow right here. I'm going to do the yellow, you guys. So the yellow shade is called Oasis. And I'm going to take that yellow, because y'all know with me and yellow, I'll be trying to test them out. And put that right there for that little pop of something. And it's like, this has like fine glitters in here. Oh, look at that. All I gotta do is build it up, Chanel, and you get the color payoff you're looking for. Then I want to use that same little tiny brush I just used, you guys, for that yellow shade. And I want to go into this shade here. I believe it's 000 or it's 000. I don't know. I don't know what that stands for. If you guys know, please go ahead and let me know, because I don't know. I want to run that shade all the way down here. We're going to go back in with another Makiage product here. And this is a liner in the shade Black. And this was actually a free gift, you guys. So I'm actually going to keep this along with the brush. I'm going to keep that. And let's see. Ooh, okay. That is blickety black right there. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get a mirror closer to my face. we're gonna use this liner. Now let's see if I can do the same liner on this side. Probably not. But we're gonna see. Y'all, I think I like this side better than that side. This liner is pretty good. I really do like this. I can practice with my wing liner with this one. I really do like it. So I do not have a fresh new highlighter. Yeah, I don't. So we're going to use it with my Hourglass. We're going to put this right on top. We're going to test this out to see how this foundation works with me putting this highlighter right on top of there. I have two of ColourPop's cream gel liners, and I have this one here, which is like a pretty bronzy shade that'll probably look really cute right here. And then I have this other one, which is a very pinky shade. Ooh. Yeah, I think I want to do this pink one in my lower lash line. That is what I'm going to do. Where is my bronzer? I'm going to add this shade. Oh, by the way, this shade is called Boots. I'm going to add Boots into my lower lash line right here. Now, I just realized, y'all, I do not have a lip liner in here. And I'm going to be honest, y'all, I'm not going to go get one. So I have two lip products here, and I think I'm going to go for more of the nude one, so I might have to go get me a lip liner. And I'm going to go in with this lippy stick in the shade Like Magic. This is also from ColourPop, or from that particular collection. Let's see if I can get away with just putting it in the center of my lips and using my natural lip line as a lip liner. That actually might work today. Yep, I think it's going to work today, y'all. I really do like the eyeshadow palette that I used. Now, one thing I didn't use, which I'm looking at it right now, I also got these ColourPop Main Attraction. Oh, no. I got the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows right here. So this one over here is called Main Attraction, and then this one over here is called Millennium. So I'm going to go in with Millennium, and I actually want to put that on top of my lid. And this is the shade right here. And I think that'd be like really pretty on top of this color. Yeah, I haven't played with Super Shock Shadows in so long. We're just going to tap that like on the center. Ooh, you guys see that? Right there on the center of the lid. Yes, honey. So now this here is the finished look right here. The look came together very nicely. I still believe the foundation is off. Okay, so I will be sending the foundation back along with the concealer, taking the test again, retrying it out. And I'm trying to find my perfect match, which I hope I can do it with this brand. But yeah, so there we go. There's the finished look. I really do like the eyes. The eyes are just beautiful, you guys. I love it. Yes. But yeah, okay. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Chanel. Once again, thank you so much for coming by. Please go ahead and consider subscribing. Let me know if you guys tried this foundation out. And if you have, let me know what you think about it. Because as of right now, I already gave y'all my thoughts. And I'm going to have some more thoughts, I'm pretty sure, when I try this foundation again. But yeah, so there we go. That is a foundation look. I like it. It's cute. Well, the whole thing came together nicely. It just don't match nicely. Alright. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to embrace your beauty. And I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.